Hi everyone, it's Artis. Welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll be reviewing this FEIN brushless compact wrench. So this particular one is ASCD 18-300WT2AS. It's quite a mouthful, to be honest. So this is the unit here. I'm glad to say that this is the first FEIN tool we are reviewing on this channel, so hopefully get some more, and for that I would like to thank our sponsors of this video, which is Sterling Power Tools and Fixings. Before we go into the video, let's have a look at the tool slightly. As you can see, FEIN in general is known brand, but not so known in UK, because the first I know of this tool was when they did the great multi-tools, but they were 110. They were way above the Bosch and all the other DIY range at the time, and that was well over 10 years ago. So I do have myself one there and it still works, so I kind of can vouch for their longevity and for their robustness. But again, this is new-ish technology, so it's all battery, etc. So, but yeah, they're not that known, so people might be a bit wary whether to get them or not. But the tool I had nothing bad to say. It still works. The only reason I don't use it is because it's 110 and also it's easier these days with battery powered one. But it's there and it still works. So here's the battery, and if you see this, to give you a bit of peace of mind, it's powered by Bosch. So that should give you some sort of inspire some sort of confidence in regards of the quality of the tool, etc. So this is what it comes in. Sorry, this doesn't come in there. So this is body only. Got your book, your case, carry case. Obviously no batteries or charger. You got a hook for your belt. That's included. This is the box in its distinct orange color, and you can get this particular model from Sterling Power Tools at £240 including VAT. So if you are interested, I would highly recommend giving them a shout. I'll put 18-volt battery on. Very obvious, we got LED working light. You got your two sides for your holster, for your belt holder. It's quite compact, to be fair. This is the baby version or smallish version. There's 200, 300 and 1000. So this being in the middle feels nice. You don't get your strap. So you got a speed settings right there on the edge or end, sorry. So 1 and all the way to 6. So we're going to test them out and we'll see how much it does and what it doesn't do. Let's go into the weighing the tool. So it's 1.785 kilos if we have 18-volt 5-amp battery, or 3.935 pounds. Next we'll go into the technical details and then we can do a little test as best as we can, basically. But yeah, I'm kind of known of these FEIN tools, and as I said, I got nothing bad to say, but obviously I cannot comment on how good this would be because obviously I haven't owned one. I don't really have wrenches myself. I don't have such a need, even though you could sometimes argue that I would need one to do like bolts, you know, for structure, etc. But I haven't bought one yet. But what it does inspire me with the confidence is knowing it's German, and also that it uses some of the Bosch technology. So Bosch is very known obviously out there. So if you have Bosch batteries actually and you are debating what to do, so you could go, because you got that Bosch platform already, you could switch to FEIN potentially if you want to try something else, something different. But I think that gives you a bit more flexibility, so it's not like you need to jump into it straight away. So,
although FEIN might not be the first brand many people in the UK reach for when buying cordless tools, this is not a brand that should be dismissed. The ASCD 18-300W2AS is an 18-volt cordless impact wrench built around FEIN's brushless PowerDrive motor. It delivers up to 290 Newton meters of torque, which puts it firmly into the compact but capable impact wrench category. This model uses a half-inch square drive, so it is aimed more at sockets, bolts, coach screws, and heavier fastening work rather than standard quarter-inch hex bit driving. FEIN rates it for screw driving applications up to M18 and wood screws up to 8 by 300 millimeters. One of the more important features here is control. The tool has 6 electronic torque levels, which should help reduce the risk of overdriving fixings or damaging fasteners when full power is not needed. It also runs on the AMPShare 18-volt battery platform, meaning it is compatible with Bosch professional 18-volt batteries and other AMPShare batteries. For anyone already invested in that platform, this makes the tool much easier to consider. At 1.2 kilograms bare tool weight with up to 1,700 revolutions per minute and 3,400 impacts per minute, the ASCD 18-300W2AS looks like a compact but serious impact wrench, and one that probably deserves more attention than FEIN often gets in the UK cordless tool market.
right, okay, now we're gonna actually see what it can do. So, I got this timber, bit of 6x3. So what we do, we'll socket on, we'll try all stages. So we try number 1, coach screws. So that's number 1, let's go number 2. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So straight away we can see that this electronical torque control is working. There's a clear difference between every setting, so which again says that there is enough adjustability for you. Yes, it's not the biggest, it's probably size of the old impact driver where we had a longer impact drivers, because your common impact drivers like that, because this is torque wrench slightly bigger, but it's not big. Like if you do bolts, coach bolts, etc., this would be probably perfect for you. It's not the big bolt wrench, so it's only a 300, so if you want to go bigger you need 1,000. But yeah, I do like ergonomics, so that's what I do like about it. Obviously the quality of the tool, being FEIN, being German, it is good quality tool. Also, as I mentioned, the sharing of the AMPShare, the batteries. So if you got a Bosch, so you don't have to worry about getting batteries. You could just buy a tool, so you don't even need to switch onto their platform completely, because you got Bosch batteries, so you could have your skill saw, plunge saw, whatever in Bosch, and then you could buy a wrench from FEIN, because there is that option for you, which is great. So that's a bonus. So negative, I would say, first of all, it's price, it's not cheap. Secondly, it's not very known really in UK market. As I said, I only knew FEIN because I had the motor tool, it's a good tool, so I can't say anything bad about it. Never had a problem with it. But yeah, it's people are scared using brands they don't know. So, but yeah, it inspires me with confidence knowing what the tools I used before from FEIN, as a motor tool, etc. I like. They do deliver. Ergonomics is great. That's what I do like. Obviously, you got your light as well, which I mentioned in the beginning. So I think if you want to try something else in the market, it's there, especially if you have Bosch platform, as I said. And yeah, I do like its ergonomics. That's the big bonus. It does feel nice in your hand, natural, if that makes sense. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, because I have noticed the 2% only have subscribed who watch our videos. So I would appreciate if you could just hit subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us to review more tools and get better tools to review for you guys. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll catch up in our next video.